How you doing, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Steve, and I just want to let you guys know I've been following the crazy events going on in the world, and crazy stuff, huh? Well, I'll tell you a little more crazy stuff. I mean, it's so far. Well, looking here on the internet, we got dead birds falling out of the sky. We got dead fish washing up ashore around the whole world. We got dead birds falling out of the sky around the whole world. Looking here on this site, it says in Romania there were dozens of birds mysteriously dead in Romania. Actually, it was near a U.S. military base, and in Quebec there were also bird deaths. Taiwan, massive birds are dying and died. You got Arizona, dozens of bats in Arizona died. Also, you got Italy. Let's check this out here. Italy, 8,000 turtle doves in Italy, fall dead, and some kind of blue stain on their beaks, it says. Tennessee, flocks of birds found dead in Wilson County, Tennessee. And you have Illinois, dead birds in Illinois, southern Illinois. Kentucky, hundreds of dead birds found in Murray, Kentucky. I mean, this is all in the past week. Sweden, deaths from birds in Sweden. Texas, hundreds of dead birds discovered in Texas. There was in China, eagles and birds fall from the sky in China. Kentucky, did I say Kentucky? Those birds fell in a woman's yard. Louisiana, hundreds of dead blackbirds. Arkansas, blackbirds. New Year's Eve, well, we heard that 5,000 blackbirds in Arkansas, and you got 2 million fish washed up ashore in Massachusetts, Chesapeake Bay over there. Japan found some dead birds. Boy, dead pelican count escalates in Carolina. Tucson, nearly 70 dead bats found in Tucson. Somerset, the United Kingdom,